Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of the DCU Visa Platinum Secured Credit Card. We're going to take a very detailed look at everything this card offers, including how it works, who it's best for, the major features, the pricing and fees, the pros and cons, and whether it truly stands out among the best secured credit cards available right now. Let's get started. The DCU Visa Platinum Secured Credit Card is a secured credit card offered by Digital Federal Credit Union. A secured card means that your credit limit is backed by a refundable security deposit. So unlike traditional credit cards where the bank gives you unsecured access to credit, you're essentially putting down collateral here. So for example, if you deposit $500, your credit limit is usually around $500. This setup lowers the lender's risk, which is why secured cards are often easier to get approved for if you have bad credit, limited credit history, and previous missed payments, or no credit history at all. Now, what makes this card stand out is that DCU tries to make the experience feel less punishing compared to many other secured cards on the market. So what are the main features of this card? First, no annual fee. It's probably one of the card's biggest selling points. It comes with no annual fee, and that matters a lot in the secured card space because many competing cards charge yearly fees just for the privilege of rebuilding your credit. Also, no foreign transaction fees. This is another surprisingly strong feature. The card does not charge foreign transaction fees. That's actually uncommon for secured cards. So if you travel internationally, you shop from international websites, or you live outside the United States and occasionally transact in foreign currencies, this becomes a useful advantage. Also, this card helps build or rebuild credits. This is obviously the main purpose of the card. DCU reports your activity to the major credit bureaus, meaning that responsible use can improve your credit profile over time. If used correctly for 6 to 12 months, many people start seeing gradual credit score improvements. Next is fraud protection measures. The card includes fraud notifications and the ability to freeze or unfreeze your card. That's a nice security feature, especially for people newer to credit cards. Then there's tap to pay support. You also get contactless payment support. Not revolutionary, but it's good to see modern functionality included even on an entry-level secured card. And of course, Visa benefits. Because it's a Visa card, you also get access to certain Visa protections and travel-related benefits. Now let us talk about the pricing. Interestingly, as earlier mentioned, there's no annual fee, no balance transfer fees, no foreign transaction fees, and no cash advance fees on this card. This is incredible. Now, what are the pros and cons of the card? First, the pros. The excellent fee structure. You don't have to pay anything. It has lower APR compared to many other competitors. It has strong credit building potential. And you also benefit because the card is a Visa card, so you benefit from the Visa network benefits. It is simple and beginner friendly. And as earlier mentioned, the APR is low. It's as low as 15% APR. How about the cons? This card has no rewards program. It also requires a security deposit. So having considered all this, is the DCU Visa Platinum Secured Credit Card actually worth it? Honestly, I think this card is underrated for the right type of user. Yes, if you're someone who is trying to rebuild damaged credits, who's trying to establish your first credit history, someone who's trying to avoid excessive fees, or simply get a clean, low-cost secured card, then this is actually one of the more respectable options available. And that's it on the review of the DCU Visa Platinum Secured Credit Card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Discover It Secured Credit Card, Capital One Platinum Secured, and Open Sky Secured Visa Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.